Here I'm welding some stainless steel sanitary tube for Algoma Farms. This pipe will send some glycol to chill tank to chill their cider before bottling. I'm running this TIG welder at 45 amps. I have a 332nd tungsten. Gas flows around 20 CFM. I was using a customer setup here, so the TIG torch is not something I'm used to, but it worked out well in this case. It's using a Lincoln welding machine. This torch was actually quite comfortable, despite the awkward finger position. You'll see I struggle here a little bit to get that cup walking around the pipe. I just have some difficulty getting it going at the very bottom end of the pipe. Need some more practice in that regard. At the end here, I always hold my cup maybe a little longer than I should. I always have my post flow maybe a second or two longer than most people would. But try and get that nice pretty weld that you see there. Looks good, I'm happy with that. Here you'll see some of the tools I use. My torch setup, tack up clamp, saw guide. This is a saw guide here. Helps keep the pipe nice and straight while I'm cutting it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe.